Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are looking for fun and effective way to help your child learning skill, phonics and vocabulary, this video is just for you. Today we are exploring this amazing 30-piece read and rhyme playbooks learning set. It includes word family playbooks, ABC vocabulary cards and sight word flashcard, perfect for kindergarten kids. These playbooks help children understand word families by flipping just one letter. Kids can read and rhyme words easily, like cat, bat, hat. This makes reading simple, fun, and interactive. The set also include ABC vocabulary cards to build letter recognition and early spelling skills, and these sight word flashcard help kids reading common words quickly, boosting reading confidence. And this activity set help improve phonics skill, vocabulary, reading fluency, memory, and focus. It completely screen-free learning, which parent will love. This learning kit is ideal for age 3 to 6 year, perfect for home learning, home schooling, travel time, and daily practice. If you want to your child to enjoy reading while learning naturally, this read rhyme playbook set is must have. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, guys, for more fun learning ideas. Thank you for watching. Happy learning. Till then, bye. If you want to purchase this product, then its link is in description box, so you can check it out. Till then, bye, guys. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video.